My name is Muhammad Amirul Ashraf bin Subardi and my matrix number is A175291. The title of the video that I want to talk about is Quiet the Social Media from Tech TV. The video is about the disadvantage of having a social media to a person. The main ideas in this video: social media can bring harm to a person. Secondly, social media are designed to be addictive to a person. After that, social media can reduce capacity of concentration, and lastly, social media can bring psychological harm to a person. The main idea that I choose is social media are designed to be addictive to a person. Two questions I want to discuss is: what is the most addictive social media and how can people make social media less addictive? What is the most addictive social media? According to the survey that have been run by Gen Z and Millennial in the last year of 2019, Instagram was the top apps that teens said they could not live without. The recent studies show that they check their Instagrams more than 10 times per day. How can people make social media less addictive? On psychology of Facebook on online social network suggests there are few tips for a person to be less addictive to social media. Firstly, uninstall social media. News feed blocker. The first thing to do is uninstall the social media from the phone. It is because we always tend to hold our phone most of the time. Secondly, prevent yourself from seeing your followers like numbers. It means when you download something from social media, prevent yourself from checking the number. And lastly, turn off the phone when you are with your loved one. For any social media apps, there are different methods we can do to stop addict with social media. For example, if you know that the most social media that are addictive to us is Facebook, so to make Facebook less addictive to us require us to do different way or method to make it less addictive, or else our effort to make it less addictive is useless. It is true that to make any social media less addictive is not as simple as said. It requires many steps. I experienced that one other way to make social media less addictive is by busy ourselves with someone else. It is because when you have something to do, you will not open your social media, and that way you will be less addictive. My opinion is nowadays, for us to have a social media is something that very common, but there are many disadvantage things when we addicted to social media. People nowadays spend more time in social media compared to their work, and they don't realize that they actually have addict to social media. But there is always a way to make us less addict to social media, and it depends on the individual to make effort on it, because different person need a different way to make themselves less addicted to social media. Thank you.